and welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This one is for the December 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So, because I think this one did have add-ons, the little card it doesn't have the info on it. It randomly has, like, horoscopes for beauty, but it literally, like, all of them is just slightly altered wording for either use less makeup or use more makeup. Like, be braver in your looks or use less. Simplify. Like, it's literally just the same two messages over and over, and I was cracking up over that. So anyway, can we talk about how cute this bag is, though? My goodness, that is just adorbs on every level. So, anywho, we're gonna dive right in. First thing, right off the bat, I'm pretty excited for this. It's from Seraphim Botanicals, and I think this is full size. It's their Lemon Balm and Thyme Nourishing Lip Scrub. I'm like, I can hear it rattling around in there. I'm not sure why the tube is so big if it's, like, in reality a much smaller thing. I don't know. This vegan lip scrub is formulated with soft golden sugar and a rich base of rice bran, jojoba, and rosehip oils to gently and effectively polish away dull, flaky skin, leaving behind healthier-looking, smoother lips. Blended with lemon balm and thyme extracts to boost its exfoliation power, as well as shea butter to help relieve dry, chapped lips. Directions: dispense a small amount onto ring finger and gently massage onto lips until sugar granules melt. Rinse away with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal soft, gentle skin. Interesting. I like it. I dig that. So, gonna just toss that into one of these drawers of all the lippy products that need to be reviewed still, so it can just chill in there for now. Next up, we have a palette. By who? Let's see. This one's by Shayna B. Miami, and this one's the Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette. So it looks like this on the outside. We have a little preview of our color palettes, like very mauve-y. I'm like, ooh, okay. Can we, like, get it out of the packaging? That would be fantastic. It's pretty well stuck. Okay, there we go. Got a point of purchase on it. Let's see it in person. Oh, okay. So we've got half of these are mattes, 3 are shimmers, and 1 is like chunky glitter. So, don't know how I feel about the chunky glitter. It's really pretty, but the last chunky glitter I wore felt like sand on my eyes, and it wasn't very long before it was in my eyes, and that was with a really good glitter primer, so I'm not exactly in a huge rush to wear another chunky glitter on my lids, but maybe another time. So the names of the colors are Ice Palace, Queen of Diamonds, Bay Harbor, B-A-E, Lincoln Red, Space, MIA Mauve, Vino, and Venetian Gray. Okay, I wouldn't have been excited about that gray until I saw that name. I'm like, I'm obligated to like it. My dad used to own Venetian Terrace apartments. So I'm like, okay, that just, alright, fine, you got me. Anyway, so next up in here, from Mapilim, is the Quinoa and Vitamin C Eye Cream. Also has coriander seed and marjoram. So for an eye cream, that's a decent size. I don't know if this is full size or not, but again, for an eye cream, it only takes a little bit at a time, so that's very decently sized, if you ask me. Then from Complex Culture, we have the Get Set Nail Polish Duo in Thrive and Dream. Let's see them. So this first one is Thrive. Oh, pretty. Pretty. So in person, on first glance, it looks like a deep silver with, like, a warm gray to it, but then it's like, no, actually there's some gold in there. Like, a little bit of an olivey gold, like, ooh, like, depending how the light hits it, it looks different. I'm like, oh, I like that. And then Dream. Okay, see, that makes sense that it looked like an olivey gold because this is a very pale green. Okay, makes sense to me. Makes total sense. Then we've got, oh, a little Viseart Professional Makeup Paris Petite Pro Trois palette. Does it have a name of the palette anywhere? Don't think so. Wait. 8 Ombres Petite Pro Trois. Okay. Petite Pro Trois. Alright, fine. I like that it looks like a little bag. It's like, oh, it's magnetic and so cute. Does it have a name? Yeah, just VPP03 Petite Pro Trois. Okay. I kind of just like saying the French words. If we couldn't have guessed. Oh, those are little bitty pans, but those are really cute. I like those colors, especially that green and that pink. Like, those I am digging real hard. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one to play with. Ooh. Viseart, you did really well here. And again, I really like just saying the name of that palette. So, okay. Next, from Sophia and Mabel, we have a brush cleaner. So, directions: lather up your brush bristles with soap, then gently swirl your brush bristles in the center of the brush cleaner going outward. Place brush under warm water and sweep brush back and forth on the brush cleaner to remove makeup residue. Repeat as necessary. Oh, I know what this is going to be. Oh, snap. Okay, so it's like this little silicone nubby thing. So it's not like brush shampoo, obvi. You still have to get that separate. Or just use a moisturizing dish soap, either or. So you put that on your brush, or in the palm of your hand. Swirl your bristles. Then on this, you swirl it around on this, and it helps like loosen up all the crap that's built. Oh, that is so smart. That is so smart. And I have been looking at these for a while, but never actually picked one up. I'm so glad that I just happened to get one in here. And then I think this last item in here, it is. And this is by Kate Somerville, which is funny because I literally just put that Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior thing in my skincare fridge earlier this week. And this is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Ah, so after I use that one up, I got another Kate Somerville. Fun! So this one has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Oh, good, more hyaluronic acid. Improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. Very nice, very nice. So I'm actually very stoked that that's in here. I didn't even realize I had another Kate Somerville, and apparently I do. Sorry, that stuff is like hella spendy. I would never go out of my way to blow my own money on that when it costs as much as it does. I think like the Wrinkle Warrior one is like $80-something if I remember right. I was very glad to have got that in a beauty box. And apparently now I got this in a beauty box too, so yay! Anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, until next time, see ya.